Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Ahmed at Altcoin Era. I got a special episode dropping tomorrow, so make sure you hit that bell notification button. Make sure you like, subscribe, and join our private members. Let's begin. Bitcoin is currently at 104,000 US dollars. Look at this. Look at this. We're up a massive 5% for the day. We're very, very close to the previous all-time high, which is only 2.84% away. Where are the bears now? Where are they? Where are they? There were participants all over the timeline calling this a top, and they were saying that we're heading far, far, far further. I did say many, many times we might see a drawdown, maybe 30%, but we're still going up higher. We're still going to head up higher to 150,000, 200,000, 300,000, who knows? But right now, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the top. USDC just minted a whopping 250 million US dollars. You know what that means, folks? You know what that means? That means we need to price things even more high. This is a report from Wintermute. If you're not familiar with Wintermute, they basically utilize algorithmic trading strategies to provide liquidity to various cryptocurrency exchanges. And their reports reviewed a strong 2024 as OTC volumes grew by 313%. Wintermute's 2025 predictions: China, UAE and Europe may follow the US in creating a BTC strategic reserve. Wintermute saw over-the-counter trading volumes grew by 313%. Institutions continue to search for more sophisticated yield and risk management instruments. They continue by stating crypto will become more deeply integrated into traditional markets through ETFs and corporate holdings this year. In addition, a large corporate event such as an acquisition or merger will be settled in stablecoins, the market maker and liquidity provider said in an annual review and outlook. Among other forecasts, Wintermute states the US will begin consultations to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve, with China, UAE and Europe following suit, and a systematically important bank will offer spot crypto trading to clients. Let's talk about XRP, because this is crazy. This is crazy. XRP is about to flip Ethereum. Oh my god. Oh my god. If someone said to me a year ago, Ahmed, XRP is gonna flip Ethereum, I would have called you a madman. And right now we're very, very close. I hate to say it. We're very close. If XRP had the same market cap as Ethereum, one XRP will be worth $7.16. It's an upside of only 123%. XRP volume overtakes Bitcoin on Coinbase as US investors' interest grows. XRP leads volume trends on Coinbase, with Bitcoin and Ethereum taking second place and third place. On Binance, Bitcoin is still the most in demand. As you can see here, XRP holds the most market share for this week, up a whopping 25%. BTC holds 19% and Ethereum holds 6%. Some more bullish news for Bitcoin. Coinbase is going to offer a Bitcoin-backed loans through Morpho. It's the ability to post collateral rather than credit rating will determine whether a client can borrow. And there you have it. Clients can now borrow against their BTC. And the reason why Bitcoin is at 104,000 US dollars is because of an unexpected decline in core CPI. Bitcoin has been consolidating in a range between 10 to 15% below record highs as investors largely tempered expectations of further interest rate cuts. It looks like we're not going to get as many interest rate cuts as we intended for 2025. And who knows, Trump is here. He's finally here. He's only got a few more days into office. And the Trump effect is a real thing. Some breaking news. The new SEC is preparing to revise the agency's crypto policies as early as next week. They're getting to work. Well done. Well done, America. Well done. I wish the UK was the same, but unfortunately we're not. And is planning to review some ongoing cryptocurrency enforcement cases in court. Here is a good tweet, and it's quite accurate. People used to ask, how would we ever pump as hard as 2021 again? Well, we have now a pro-crypto president, surprisingly, ETFs with constant inflows, MicroStrategy in the NASDAQ with constant inflows, 7 trillion, a whopping 7 trillion in money market funds that will re-enter when rates drop. The money market funds soared past 7 trillion for the first time in history. We have a historic high DXY and interest rates that will act as tailwinds when they finally drop. We got all the ingredients. We have all the massive tailwinds at the moment. It's just you now to be patient. Let's head over to the prediction markets and let's see what participants are trying to predict. Will Trump create a Bitcoin reserve in the first 100 days? And as you can see here, there's a 40% chance. Will it get to 50%? Will it even get to 60%? Who knows? Altcoins, that's why we're here. That's why we're here, ladies and gentlemen. And this is the speculation index. And as you can see right here, we're at 18%. We're at the lows for speculation and altcoins. A lot of folks are Bitcoin maxis at the moment. That will definitely change. And the pendulum will swing towards altcoin season. Let's have a look at the top gainers for the past week. The top gainers for the past week is Altcoin, up a whopping 71%. Come on. I'm still holding. I hope you're holding. Number 2 is Mofo and is up 47%. Number 3 is XRP. It's up a whopping 37%. And let's not talk about XRP. Dear Lord, I pray it doesn't flip ETH. I pray. HBAR is up a whopping 30%, and then we have Saga and it's up a whopping 38%. And then we have Saga, it's up 29%. We have Liquidity is also up. Litecoin is up, and surprisingly SPX. No, not the S&P 500, the SPX meme coin. Oh, an honorable mention as well, AIXPT is up massively. We've been speaking about AI agents in our private members. It's in the link in the description below. If you want to gain some 5x's, 10x's, 20x's, we caught some of these coins very early, like the likes of Altcoin, XIBT, ARC, Orbit, and many other AI coins. Join our private members. The best performers in this sector is memes for this week. Damn, memes are back. We have the likes of Whiff, Pepe, and Pop had a good bounce. The second best sector is AI. AI is here to stay, ladies and gentlemen. Every single week, I always see AI in the top 5. Then we have gaming, it's up 4%. L1s is up as well. AI again, DeFi, and L2s. This is the market volume, and we are slowly increasing. The most we had was during December the 19th on Binance. That had a lot of volume this past month. BTC is up on the quarterly by 11%, a whopping 11%. Normally, on average, we are up 8%. So this is a great sign. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum is up 2%. And I told you time and time again, don't worry, there is a lot of FUD about Ethereum. Ethereum is just stretching his legs. I said it time and time again. Ethereum's going to outperform. Just have some patience. Just have some patience, folks. The Fear and Greed Index is currently at 75. This is a good indication where we are in the cycle. We're still in a bull market. And when in doubt, just zoom out. We have the Pi cycle top indicator. It hasn't hit this area. Normally, every time we hit the 350-day moving average, that is an indication that we've hit the top. As of now, we're ranging between these two areas. Last week, everyone was bearish. Everyone, the whole timeline was bearish, except for me. I was like, where's the bulls? Where are they? If you don't believe me, check my Twitter. This was when we were going through peak fear. Like everyone was just doom after doom after doom after doom. I told you, this is not the top. This is not the top, ladies and gentlemen. Buy the dip. Bitcoin is currently up almost 6% for the day. A massive green candle. It looks like we are very close of breaking the previous all-time high, which was right over here. What we need to do is hold and confirm a weekly. We need it to confirm above 100K. Once we do that, ladies and gentlemen, that's clear skies ahead. Once we close by Sunday, that's going to be a good indication. Now, remember, this was a fake out right over here. We closed above the weekly and this was a fake out and we fell right back to this area. This time we needed to confirm at least a week, maybe two above 100K, consolidate just above resistance and then head upwards. I did say this time and time again. BTC most likely won't hold above 100K the first attempt. It won't do it the second attempt, maybe the third attempt, and definitely the fourth attempt. Now, we're going to wait and see and find out. If this is just a fake out, then we're just going to consolidate even longer. Ethereum, a lot of participants are losing patience with Ethereum. This is just indication of the market where money transfers from the impatient to the patient. You have to be patient. Be patient and you'll go a long way. Ethereum needs to break past this resistance right over here at $3,481 and then finally attempt to break 4K. Once we do that, then we need to go to the previous all-time high at 4,854. We haven't been here for a long time. I believe we haven't seen those prices for 1,182 days. Once we break previous all-time highs, I think we're going straight to 10K, folks. So Ethereum normally does this massive parabolic runs. It does this time and time again. Within a span of just 2 weeks, the entire market cap can go up 2x. And remember, folks, remember this. Look at this massive consolidation area. Look at this. Like, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to not figure this. Look at this. XRP done the same thing. And I was speaking about XRP when everyone was bearish. I was speaking about ADA when everyone was bearish. I showed you this chart a long time ago. And look at this right here. Massive bullish pennant. And what do? We broke up to the upside. I said this previously. I said this a few times on my channel. And my target for XRP is a whopping $6.56. ADA price targets. Currently, it's doing a bullish pennant. This is the weekly. Let me show you on the daily. Right over here, it's about to break out. I'm going to tell you something very funny. Very funny. I never ever thought that this would happen in real life. Honestly, I never thought this. But there are some participants out there that are stating that the reason why ADA and XRP are moving upwards is because participants and normies are going onto ChatGPT and they're getting financial advice from ChatGPT. And guess what ChatGPT says? Just guess. ADA is a fantastic project. I never, ever in my life thought that ChatGPT will be pumping our bags. I'm going to lose my shirt. I never, ever thought this. I never thought this. So participants are logging on to ChatGPT and they're getting financial advice. And the programmers in OpenAI have programmed it to be bullish on the likes of ADA and XRP. My next target for ADA is at $1.50, and then we're heading to the previous all-time high, which is at $3.11. Ultimately, my target for ADA in the long term is around $6 to $7. Solana formed a descending parallel channel and it looks like it's about to break out, formed a double top. I also hold massive Solana bags. I hold ADA and Solana. Currently looks like we're forming a resistance right over here. We need to reclaim this area, form it as support, and then head over to $258. I have no doubt that Solana in this cycle would do very well. It has the same trajectory as Ethereum. AVAX is currently consolidating just under the resistance of $41. We need to close above this area, form it as support, and head up higher. We formed a textbook head and shoulders pattern. It didn't go straight to this area. It was shy of, I believe, 28%. And then we continued to go up higher, formed higher highs and higher lows. And as a result, I think AVAX will do very well in this cycle. Dodge is currently trying to head up higher, formed a triple bottom right over here, and it looks like it wants to attack this resistance of $43. I think Dodge is heading to $1, and then after that it's just price discovery. DOT is currently consolidating around here. This has the most confluence just over here, ladies and gentlemen. Good sign is we're consolidating above my support right over here, and that means we have some more room to grow. Link also is showing the same textbook pattern, and we're hitting resistance right over here at $24. It's up 6% for the day. Stacks is consolidating as well. We're still not in altcoin season. Now, the catch 22 is this. We have the altcoin indicator at 55. Now, the problem is this, and the catch 22 situation is this. Normally, every time we hit these peaks, we normally go all the way to the bottom to Bitcoin season. I think every time we've hit this area, we've always headed to this area. So I think we might have to head downwards to this area of Bitcoin season, which means Bitcoin could continue to go up further to maybe 120,000 US dollars. Then it will give a respite for altcoins. Then altcoins will head down to this area around 20, and then we can have another run up to altcoin season. I think Bitcoin needs to do its final leg up higher. So hypothetically speaking, this is dubious speculation, we could get to 120,000, and then from there altcoins could bleed. Thereafter, BTC comes down, consolidates just over here. Then we finally get our altcoin season between February, March and April. The total crypto market looks very, very bullish indeed. It looks like it's about to break out and form a new higher high. It's at 3 trillion US dollars. Now remember, Standard and Chartered said that we could head to 10 trillion US dollars, and that's a whopping increase in market cap. In the total space, we could head up a whopping 180% for the entire crypto market. And finally, we have others dominance. So this is basically the entire crypto market excluding the top 10. And I said the best time to buy alts is in June 2023. The second best time to buy alts was in November 2024. And now is the third best time to buy alts. Just like the previous altcoin season, the best time to ever get into alts was in August 2019. And the second best time to buy alts was in January 2021. Now remember what happened in January 2021. Do you remember? What were you doing during that time? BNB is quietly making all-time new highs. No one's speaking about it. No one's speaking about it. It's still quietly making all-time new highs. The next resistance is at 800 US dollars. Meme coins are bouncing on their range lows. Brent is also bouncing. We have Pedal bouncing on their range lows. This was a fake out and is heading to its range highs. Casper is also bouncing from its range lows, heading to the range highs. Coinbase has formed a textbook pattern right over here, bounced on my resistance right over here, and ladies and gentlemen, dare I say not, this looks like an inverse head and shoulders, and possibly see a price target of 1,000 US dollars. I'm not saying we're heading there, but that's the technical setup. It has a massive head, it has a shoulder, huge head, and another shoulder. ENS has finally broke past this resistance right over here. We're past the bear market blues, and now we're heading higher to the previous all-time high at $121. We have Dimensia. It's still bouncing on the range of lows. These are good trading opportunities, in my opinion, to sweep the lows. We have Zero Layer also sweeping the lows. We have Notcoin sweeping the lows. And finally, we have Spectral also sweeping the lows. That's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join our private members. Peace.